to change region in Disney Plus. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your region in your Disney Plus account. So if you're living outside the India, you won't be able to access the Disney Plus Hotstar that has been exclusively available with Indian audience. So to change your location or your region in order to use Disney Plus Hotstar, you need to get a VPN. So in order to get a VPN, just open your Apple Store or your Play Store, and after that on the search bar just search for VPN, and you can get any of the VPN for free. There are so many options available, and just click on it and get the window version, or you can also follow the same steps in your mobile app and install the VPN in your device. And once you're done adding your VPN into your device, then you will be able to change your region to Indian location, and after that you will be able to access Disney Plus Hotstar and enjoy all these shows and series in your Disney Plus Hotstar app. So this is basically how you will be able to change your region using a VPN in your device, either in your mobile device or in your desktop or in your laptop, and this way you will be able to change your region in your Disney Plus. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.